Are you starting out with your credit journey, or have you already destroyed it?
Good credit, credit, no problem. Or you dead?
In this video, we'll talk about 5 credit cards to increase your credit score no matter where you are on your journey. Let's go! Hey guys, I'm Osler from Down Under, and in the first video that I did, I talked about the big sign-up bonuses of the big 4 banks, but a lot of people told me that it didn't apply to them because they said that they were just starting out on their credit card journey. So what I did was I scoured the internet for hours, days, and found the best cards to start with. Most of these cards have no annual fees and low credit limits, and some of these cards might even let you earn free stuff. And come on, be honest, who doesn't like free stuff? If you say you don't,
why you always lying?
Now I just have to mention again that one of the criteria for positive reporting is that it shows the date of when you opened and closed an account, which means the longer that you have an account open with good repayments, the better for your credit score. However, as you progress through your credit card journey, you may want to move on to cards with higher limits or bigger point rewards. Those cards usually require a higher credit score. That's why we have these beginner cards to start with. Now, first up is the Bank of Melbourne No Annual Fee card. 2 awesome things about this card is that it offers you a $500 credit card limit and they do not require a minimum income. This is really great if you're only starting to get a grasp of how the credit system works, and also to control your impulsive buying habits because you only have $500 as your credit limit. Now, if you already have debt, this card has got you covered also. This card offers you a 0% balance transfer rate for 12 months if you apply and get approved by the 2nd of October. I don't know about you, but a 0% interest rate and a $0 annual fee would really help with paying off debt if you just keep on attacking it. I just want to mention these 2 cards, which I thought was going to be number 2 and number 3 until I found out that they're basically the same cards. Introducing the Bank SA No Annual Fee card and the St. George No Annual Fee card. I mean, look, even their websites are all the same. It just comes down to where you live and what bank is the most available to you. Without further ado, card number 2, this is the Me Frank credit card. This is one of the best cards if you want no thrills, no frills. This card offers you 11.99% of purchase interest rates, cash advance rates, and balance transfer rates. Add the $0 annual fee and you've got yourself a good starter card. Unlike the first cards, this will require you to have a minimum income of $25,000 and will give you a $1,000 credit limit. Still pretty low compared to the other high-end cards. I highly recommend this card if you're someone who's still getting to know yourself and your attitude towards money. So with all that said, let's go to number 3, the ING Direct Orange One card. This card also offers 11.99% in purchase interest rates and cash advance fees, but you cannot use this for balance transfers. This card has a higher minimum income requirement of $36,000, but what gives this card a position on this list is that it takes away all of the international transaction fees when you're overseas. For example, your ATM withdrawals or your purchases. Also, you get $0 in over-limit fees and domestic and international card replacement fees, even the emergency ones. An over-limit fee is usually charged when you use your credit card above its credit limit. All that for a simple requirement of depositing $1,000 into your ING Orange Everyday transaction account and making 5 purchases in the last month. But Osler, what if I don't have an Orange Everyday account? Then you can use your Savings Maximizer account. I don't have that one also. Oh, you don't have that one too? Make one. Stop complaining, it takes a few minutes. This brings us to number 4, and I have a question for you. Do you like to earn rewards while you spend? If you answered yes, and well, you should answer yes, then I strongly suggest that you apply for these, the Velocity Escape card and the Qantas Discovery card from American Express. If you don't have a bad credit history and you earn a minimum required income of $40,000 and $35,000 for Velocity and Qantas respectively, they will give you a credit limit of about $2,000 and let you earn 0.75 points per dollar spent. These cards offer refund protection. This is when you need to refund an item and the store you bought it from is being unreasonable. Simply call American Express and they will credit the eligible item for you. They also offer purchase protection for when your card gets damaged or stolen in the next 90 days. It comes with online fraud protection and emergency replacement, which they could do for you in one day virtually anywhere in the world for the low annual fee of nothing. Lastly, this card might not be for everyone, but definitely for someone who wants a little bit more from their starter card. Number 5, we have the HSBC Platinum Qantas card. It offers a $0 annual fee for the first year and then goes to $79 for the succeeding years that you have it. This card lets you earn 1 Qantas point per dollar spent up to $2,500 per statement period and goes down to 0.5 points per dollar spent, capped at 7,500 Qantas points, making that a total of $12,500 in spending per statement period. Not a problem if you're like me, who doesn't even max out the $2,500 per month. If you ever wanted to be a Qantas frequent flyer, you can basically join for free because this card will waive the $99 joining fee. You'd also get your regular perks for a platinum card, such as an international and domestic travel insurance, purchase protection, transit accident insurance, extended warranty insurance, and a guaranteed price scheme, which means that if you bought an item and it decreased in price in the next however many days it's in the contract, HSBC will refund you the difference of what you bought it from and what the price is now. You'll gain access to their frequent values program where you will get offered discounts for restaurants, movies, hotel stays, a lot of stuff. And because this is a platinum card, you'll also be getting access to their Visa concierge service. And lastly, of course, they also offer a 0% balance transfer for 12 months. So what are you waiting for? These cards are great to start with and to keep for a very long time, as most of them have no annual fees. The goal is to get these cards, build up your credit, avoid unnecessary interest and payments, and get all the benefits. You get me? As you get to know yourself and your attitude towards money, you'll be increasing your credit score and eventually you'll be in a position to apply for higher premium, more premium credit cards, such as the Amex Platinum or the Citibank Prestige card, where you'll be playing around sign-up bonuses of about 100,000 points to maybe 200,000 points, which you could use for free flights, free hotel stays, and free stuff. Treat these cards as good practice to live below your means, pay your statement in full every month, keep yourself in check, and stop impulsive buying. That's it for me. This video is probably too long now. If you have any comments or suggestions, just comment them down below. I'm Osler from Down Under, and I'll see you in the next video.